All right, we're going to divide fractions. Let's start with a whole number dividing by a fraction. So we're going to apply the keep, change, flip. So first, we have to rewrite 2. The 2 whole becomes 2 over 1. And then we're going to change division to multiplication. And we write the reciprocal of 2 over 3. So we flip it, it becomes 3 over 2. And then we multiply. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Numerator by numerator. And then denominator by denominator. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And then 6 divided by 2, it is improper fraction. We can simplify this. This becomes 3. So our answer is 3. You can also apply cancellation method here. We can cancel 2 and 2 because they're both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then we multiply 1 times 3 gives you 3. And then 1 times 1 gives you 1. And 3 divided by 1 is 3. Next, we're going to divide 2 pips by 4. So if this is a whole number, it's understood that there's a 1 as a denominator of 4. So the whole number will be your numerator and its denominator is 1. So again, we apply the keep, change, flip. We keep the 2 pips. All right, we keep that. And then change division to multiplication. And then we flip the 4 over 1 or write the reciprocal of 4 over 1, which is 1/4. All right, so 2 times 1 is 2, and then 5 times 4 is 20. And we can still simplify 2 over 20. So we divide its numerator and denominator by 2. So this will be 1 over 10. Now let's do 4/5 divided by 2/3. So we keep 4/5, then division, multiplication, change it to multiplication, and 2/3 becomes 3/2. Then we multiply across. 4 times 3 is 12, and 5 times 2 is 10. And we can still simplify, they're both even numbers. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6/5. But 6/5 is an improper fraction. So we can get one group of 5 from 6, so 1. And then we have a remainder of 1, which is a leftover. But that will be our numerator. And then so we keep the denominator 5. So this will be our final answer. Now, dividing a fraction by a mixed number. First, we need to change the mixed number into improper fractions. So we just copy first everything. So 1 and 1/2 becomes 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 will be 3. So it becomes 3/2. And then we rewrite again. We keep the first fraction. Keep, change. Division becomes multiplication. 3/2 becomes 2/3. And then we can multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. And 4 times 3 is 12. And they're both divisible by 6. So we can simplify this fraction. So it becomes 1/2 as our final answer.